cascade streams off the edge of the cliff. Silver droplets slowly fall through the mist. A rainbow sparkles in the crystal dew. I could be waterfalling for you. Rushing, tumbling off the mountainside, crashing over rocks on its downward slide, roaring ever louder as the fountain grew. I might be waterfalling for you, falling for you, ricocheting down, splashing all around, powerful the sound of the waterfall as it catapults along, echoing the song of the mystifying waterfall. Trickle at the river's source to a gushing torrent as the flow goes forth, a curtain of water, a veil to see through. I think I'm waterfalling for you. I think I'm waterfalling for you.